Good day, good afternoon. Welcome back to my channel. I say welcome back. So for the couple of weeks now, I've actually been doing the videos on how you can trade the key zones. So the first one I did was how you can trade the Asian key zone. So today I'm actually going to be doing a video on how you can trade the London key zone, right? How you can trade the London key zone. So as you can see, I've actually dropped the signal. I dropped the signal on my signal group, right? I dropped the signal on my signal group, and you can see. Let's start from there. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, over 10. Okay, you can confirm the time I picked the trade. That was when I dropped this. What you can see, we I just gave the signal to them in my signal group. Can we write the VIX 50 set? So I dropped the signal there, right? So now let me explain the reason why I've actually picked this now. Now if you look at my screen, you have two boxes or three boxes there. So the first one, which is my pitch, is my Asian session, right? So now the other one, which is my blue, is my London key zone. I've dropped the videos on how you can trade them with SMC. Now I'll be doing a confirmation video here. So I'll be doing a confirmation videos on how you can pick up your trade. You can see it's a live account. What liquidity. So that is the power of trading in what key zones. It gives you the power to be able to flip your account. For those of you that are very conversant on my WhatsApp and my Facebook channel and even my Telegram channel, I've seen that I trade the key zone. I don't disturb myself. Can look at the time I entered the trade. This was what 2023 10 11:02. Those are my key zones. So I know the time I'm coming to the market. Once I look at what I'm looking for, so if you want to trade the key zones, right? If you want to trade the key zones, what you need to put into consideration is you consider your structure. Consider your what? Your structure. Your structure is very, very important. Your structure is very, very important. It's very, very important. So consider your structure. Once you are able to map your structure, look at where price is coming from and look at where price is going to. So from where price is coming from, you can tell where price is going to, and from there you can frame your setups. You can frame your setups and your mind will be at peace. The best time you can trade is trading at the key zone. So for the London session now, key zone is starting from 9 o'clock to 1 p.m. Nigerian time. 9 o'clock, 9 o'clock a.m. GMT plus 1 to 5 p.m. GMT plus 1. So that 5 p.m. now will be what? 17 o'clock, right? It's going to be 17 o'clock. So that is how you trade the London session. So for you to pick a trade, now let's go from here now. You can see that I actually have the London session. There's another thing we'll put into consideration, right? You can see you have your M pattern. You should be able to know your chart pattern. But applying chart pattern alone cannot give you the real confirmation that you. So you need to do justice to your what? You need to do justice to chart patterns. You need to do justice to your what? To your technical analysis. And the best of technical analysis that you can do is you working with the what? The best of technical analysis that you can do is trading the what? Following the sessions with the what? With the market makers, right? Following the session with the market makers. So you analyze and work with the market makers. You analyze and work with the market makers. So if you actually need more videos on how taking a live trade, I drop it. You can see on my group, on my Telegram group. These are my mentees. So we analyze together. You can see how they start dropping their analysis, right? Starting how they start dropping the analysis. So if you want to know more about my signal group, check on the what? On the description on this video. You will find the link to my WhatsApp. So you can message me or you join my Telegram channel and you can chat me up or you send me a direct message on my Gmail. I will definitely respond. So if you need more information about how you can trade the London session, please do well drop it on the comment section, or you want me to talk about anything, anything, just do well to what to drop it on the comment section, and I'll be doing justice to it. So as a matter of fact, my boss will say that remember why you got into the what into the trading business, which is what time management, freedom, and financial freedom. So once you are able to have these things, do not waste your time. Go out of the market and what find another thing to do. But the problem many of us have is that once we make a very tangible result, we tend to what to start looking for crabs. My boss will call it crabs. As a matter of fact, in 15 minutes, 15 to 45 minutes, you can do justice to trade. You can what? You can do justice to trade. Right now, look at this. Look at these setups. Look at these setups. Look at these setups. Let me explain something now. Now you can see that at the beginning of my Asian session, what do I have? Now the reason why most of you will get confused now, for those trading what session now, you see that this is what? This is a break in market structure. You are in a what? You are in a down uptrend, right? Which is not so. Learn to analyze and follow the what? The market makers. You are in a actually is showing a what? An uptrend, but believe me, it is not the uptrend. The uptrend is a what? Is a trap. Is a trap for what? For retail traders like me and you. Is a trap for us. But once I saw this, fine and good. You can call it a trap, right? You can call it a trap, but know what you are doing, right? This is a what? A break in market structure. We've tapped on what? On higher time frame POIs. POIs. I've talked about POIs too in my previous videos. So you can do justice to that and go and watch my what? My videos on POI. So it has tapped on other block. So what I do is that okay, we are in an uptrend, fine and good. I must be looking, ideally I should be looking for what? For a buy setup. But one thing is that market maker will buy to sell. Market maker will sell to buy. So once you understand their move, you can fall in and align yourself in their what? In their way. You can fall in and align yourself in their way and you trade along with them. You trade along with them. So what I'm actually going to do is that so once I'm able to set that now, I've gotten a break in market structure to the upside. Now, okay, fine. So since market tap on what? On higher time frame POI. So what I will do is that I will mark my what? My POIs. Now, there's what we call inducement, right? So inducement, ideally now my inducement, this is my inducement, which is a what? A break in market structure. So once they break this structure now, there are two things you need to start looking out for now. Okay, we've gotten a what? A break in market structure. What is the market saying? Now, since there is a break in market structure, consider the what? The position that you have, right? Consider the position that you have. So there's a what? A break in market structure, right? A break in market structure, right? But for the what? Conservative, this is your inducement. So once they take out the inducement, now you need to what? Look at this expansion here, right? Look at this expansion here. Okay, at this expansion, now this is what I've gotten. This is what I've gotten. So look at it very well and then you frame your what? Your setup, and you can run your trend the way you like. Your mind will be at rest that and comfortable. Comfortable because as a matter of fact, how many have I spent in the market and I've flipped my account. I've been able to flip the account and double the account and we are good to go. Now, so once you have all this now, this is my inducement, they took it out. But actually there is a what? There is a pullback, there's an inducement here now for my student now. We know that this is the what? This is actually the first pullback that we have. This is the first pullback that we have. So you don't need to what? To wait for this bigger one. So once you have a this big market structure now, you just go back to this area now at your left hand side and look out for your POIs. I've talked about how you can select your POIs. Now I don't want the video to be too long. If you're actually enjoying the video, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and what? And comment if you need anything about it. Trading should be fun. Trading should be fun. Find the way, understand the market maker move and you follow their move. You can't be like the market maker because they have things more than you. It's like a child trying to fight his father. Omo, e go lado, e go hard. So hit on the subscribe button, like the video, and please do well to share. If you need anything, if you want to know more about my mentorship, You can actually put them. So I've actually gotten like how many mentorships there. I've gotten SMC version 1 and I've gotten SMC 2. So the version 1 was 1 and version 2 I've actually refined it and I've make it more easy and very easy to follow. And if you actually want to be trading with me as I'm putting my position, as I'm taking my trade, you want to write down with me, do where to what? You'll find my contact details on the video. You can contact me directly on my WhatsApp or my Telegram. I will respond to you. I'll be waiting for any question. I'm out of the what? I'm out of the trade. Do have a nice and lovely day. See you. Please do well to what? To subscribe, like, and share. I'll be waiting for your comments if you need anything about it. See you.